Hi, Elliot. What are you doing? You hanging out? You having fun? Oh, yeah, you are having a good time. Wait till Grandma Sharon sees you in this video. Oh, she's gonna love it. And she's wearing the boots that Daddy loves. Oh, look at you. Bless you. Bless you. Hello, little girl. She just ate. She's got a changed diaper. And she had a nice long nap. We got one happy baby on our hands. Don't we? Yes, we do.